Hi, my name is Friska Putriwarubu. I will discuss 10 Christian grammars as a final video assignment of grammar for TOEFL course. So let's try for the first question. So this is multiple choice. The question is, the data was collected from different hospitals across the country. There are 4 options. Which part is incorrect? The first is A, that the, and then B, data, and then was, and then collected. We should which part is incorrect. The correct answer is C, was. Why? Because the word data is plural. It is the plural of datum. So we should use were instead of was. So the correct sentence is the data were collected from different hospitals. And then why? What's wrong with the other option? The is correct article with the sentence. And then why not data? Because data is correct noun. And then why not collected? Because collected correct participle for passive voice. Next is the second question. She blamed blah 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 for the accident. There are 3 options: he, him, and himself. We should choose the correct answer. So the correct answer is himself. Why? Because the subject is she. So if she blames herself, we use a reflexive pronoun. So the reflexive of he is himself. So the correct sentence is she blamed himself for the accident. So what's wrong with the other option? So the first is, why not he? He is he is a subject pronoun, so it is not correct here. And then why not him? Because him is an object but not reflexive, so it is not showing the same person. Next question is 3. My friend and I blah 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 been living here for 5 years. There are 2 options. First is has and then have. So we should choose the correct answer is have. Why? Because the subject is my friend and I, which is plural, more than one person. So we use the plural for have with present perfect tense. So the correct sentence is, my friend and I have been living here for 5 years. But in our sentence, the subject is 2 people. My friends plus I is we. And why not has? Because has is used only with singular subjects like he, she, or it. So, for example, he has lived here for 5 years. But in our sentence, the subject is 2 people, is my friend and I. Next question is, the longer we wait, blah, 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 it becomes to finish. So there are 2 options, the harder and harder. We should choose the best answer, the correct answer. So the correct answer is A, the harder. Why? Because this is double comparative sentence, the plus comparative. So the correct sentence is, the longer we wait, the harder it becomes. Why? Why not harder? Because it missed the word the, so that makes the sentence incomplete and incorrect. So the correct answer is the harder. Next question is, this room doesn't have blah 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 to read comfortably. There are 2 options. First is enough light, and then light enough. So we should choose the correct answer. The correct answer is enough light. Why? Because light is a noun. We use enough before a noun, so enough light is correct. So the correct sentence is, this room doesn't have enough light to read comfortably. Why not light enough? Because uh, light enough is used when light not heavy, not brightness. So the correct is enough light. Next question is number 6. No sooner had he received the letter, blah blah blah, he called Maria. There are 2 options, when and or then. So we should choose the correct answer. The correct answer is then. Why? Why then correct? Because no sooner than is a special pair. It always goes together in English to show 2 quick actions that happen one after another. So the correct sentence is, No sooner had he received the letter than he called Maria. So why not when? What's wrong with when? Because when is not part of this grammar structure. It breaks the rule of the no sooner expressions. Next question is, we walk blah 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 the beach for several hours yesterday. There are three options: is on, in, and at. So what the best answer, or what the correct answer is on. Why? Because we use on for surface, and the beach is a surface. So we walk on the beach. So the correct sentence is, we walk on the beach for several hours. So what's wrong with the other option? What's wrong with in and at? So if we use in the beach, is it incorrect? Because it sounds like you're inside the beach, which is not possible. And why not at? Because at is too general. It's more accurate. So on is more accurate when you work on something. So the correct is on. Next section is there multiple choice again. Most of the Cajun French who live in Louisiana can neither read, blah blah blah, the French varieties they speak. There are four options: nor they write, B, nor write, C, all writing, and D, neither write. So we should choose the correct answer between the four options. So the correct answer is part B, not write. Why? Because neither nor needs parallel verbs. In this sentence, both parts should be base verb forms. Read is best verb, so the second must also be right. So the correct answer is most of the Cajun French who live in Louisiana can neither read nor write. This is part B, the French variety they speak. So why not the other option? What's wrong with A, part A, C, and D? So part A, none of the right, it's incorrect because not parallel. It's too many words. And why not C, writing? Because it is wrong form, yeah. It is gerund. And why not D, neither, right? Because neither is already used in neither earlier. Next question is number 9. It is also multiple choice. Only 20 years ago, most doctors agreed, blah blah blah, truthful with their terminally ill patients. We should choose the first correct answer. There are four parts: A, B, C, D. Done to be, B, not to be, C, we shouldn't be, and D, not to be. So what's the correct answer is, it is part B, not to be. Why? Because agreed is followed by to be, and because it's negative, we say not to be. So the correct sentence is, only 20 years ago, most doctors agreed not to be truthful with their terminally ill patients. So what's wrong with the other option? Why not done to be? Why not we shouldn't be? And why not to be? Because done to be is bad grammar, and or it's not and match with the sentence. It's mixed two forms. And why not part C? We shouldn't be, because it is wrong subject and wrong verb form. And why not to be? Because been needs have before it. So is it part D is incorrect here. Next question, and the last is, we blah blah blah. In the context is C, but it's negative, this movie yet. So we need to fill the blank. The correct answer is have not seen. Why? Because yet means yet here means the action is not done until now. So we must use the present perfect tense. Have or has plus past participle. So the current sentence is, we haven't seen this movie yet. So what could be wrong if we use didn't see, for example, didn't see, because that would be simple past, which doesn't work with yet. So it's used for so didn't see is used for present perfect. So the best answer is haven't seen. So that's all that's all 10 grammar question that I have discussed. Thank you.